Hi friends, we're Thomas and Ruth, and we would like to thank you for joining us on our first date of the series.
Number one.
Number one. This date is going to involve us drawing each other. You're going to use this date as an opportunity to creatively express how you feel and view your partner.
So, this date can be done at home. It's free, which is great.
Always great.
And you can do it anytime. So, we're going to show you the supplies, and then we'll show you what we did for the date, and then we hope that you join us.
Last year around the same time we did a very similar date, but we used pencils to just do pencil drawings, and so this time we decided we are going to change up the medium and do watercolor.
Which neither of us have a lot of experience with, but we wanted to try something new because this year is all about challenging ourselves and trying new things, even if we're not comfortable with it.
Both Ruth and I chose to do watercolors, but you are certainly welcome to do acrylic paints or sketching or word pictures, whichever medium you choose to depict the other. But you need an idea, and you need to be able to succinctly communicate what that idea is on paper.
Don't be intimidated by this date, even if you think you're not artistic or you've never really done something like this. Give it a try, and it could be a lot of fun, and we think that even if the painting looks bad, that just makes it more fun.
And that's it.
Yeah. We'll see you after the date and show you how our paintings turned out.
I'm drawing
Show
us
it off.
as Aladdin and Jasmine, and we will be flying over our state's capital.
Oh, cool. Love it.
Haven't gotten there yet, the capital part, but I'm gonna get there.
It's looking pretty good so far. And what am I doing?
Ruth is doing a portrait of Thomas.
Oh my gosh, that's terrifying. Hold on. It's gonna look better. Fingers crossed he won't look like Frankenstein when I'm done with this. Whew! Okay, we're back.
Woo! Boy, that was a lot of work.
Well, that was a lot of fun, and you probably saw the progress. They turned out...
I think they turned out as we hoped and expected.
As good as could be hoped for with the amount of experience we have.
So as you might have observed, we were using different techniques for our watercolor skills. Ruth was using a watercolor paper, and so hers looks a lot more like the traditional watercolor painting.
I don't know what's going on with his arm, though. That looks really scary.
But
Also, he looks like he's sick, and he has eyeliner. But other than that, I'm pretty happy for my first attempt. It was better than I was expecting.
I do think overall it looks a lot like me.
Does it look like him? What do you guys think? Spit an image.
And for mine, I started drawing and sketching my idea on sketchbook paper, so I didn't use proper watercolor paper.
I told him that that was not going to work.
Well, I didn't believe her, and it obviously does not look like a regular watercolor.
It's still so cute, though.
Yeah, it worked out. So for this one, I decided to depict us as Aladdin and Jasmine. There's a video that we can insert a clip of or something somewhere.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
This is a go-to costume that is kind of reminiscent of our first Halloween together when we were a first starting to date couple, first dating early on.
Mm-hmm.
A whole new world.
We were friends.
Fantastic boy. to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
Well, that was a lot of fun. Stay tuned next week for date number 2. Comment below if you guys participate, and we'd love to see what kind of artwork you all come up with. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. This is gonna be fun to edit. Surely I can make a video out of all that, right?
Hi friends, it's Ruth and Thomas. I blanked. What do I want to say?
4 hours later.
And then...
I feel like we're news anchors.
Hey there. It's date night.
Ha ha ha!